Hello, I'm Milind Mulick. If you like this video and like this channel, please spend little time, use your fingers and press like and subscribe. Thank you.
Milind is an impatient man. He is almost proposing to watercolor painting itself every day, one love letter at a time. Such is his relationship with watercolor and the outdoors that he makes a Sunday painting every day. Yeah, he's just brilliant. Imagine a sleek, flexed, neat and clear style of painting. I think this style shows his skill and control over the medium and the street. His rendezvous with the form is so sensual that people start seeing the streets with his romantic eyes. Milind has grown up in the post-independence era of British influences. He told me pop music, rock music, chic home decor magazines and the British watercolor technique inspired him when he was young. His work is a mediation of that love for the medium, stuck like a soulmate for life. There's a constant tension, learning and exploration through years of practice. I asked him what's his advice to students. He said, shut up and paint. It's very simple. That's what he believes in. And he does so, painting for the sake of painting, with no deep ulterior motive, concept to it. But this mesmerization with the medium is his concept, the synchrony of painting, impressionistic painting that makes people see and feel. His impatience and immediacy with his work is seen in the loose edges and lucid brush marks. As he builds on from the flat tone, elements start to surface almost magically from the paper. And Milind, in his effortless mediation, becomes like a magician for the people who witness him painting. Have you watched him paint? It's amazing. He is a combination of a lot of things. Opposites, British, Indian, immediate, representational, loose, yet accurate. Milind told me that he hates to travel. What a guy. That's very odd for a landscape painter, don't you think? Painting in watercolor itself is difficult. Even for Milind. Till today, yeah. He finds it difficult. The medium does not allow him to come in complete control. That's what he loves actually. He loves to be free. He loves to play and experiment. That's when he told me he reaches an absolute climax. Pure bliss. Like sometimes he'll have an epiphany, a high. You can't blame him. The medium is mesmerizing. Milind creates magic in light and he paints for painting itself. Pure optical stimulation. Each work is a snapshot of the moment he lived. And if you spent enough time with him while he was painting, he'll force you to fall in love with what he's looking at for at least 20 to 30 minutes. You'll also experience the pleasure and let it pass. Yeah, you heard that right. Let it pass. He isn't holding on to anything. No technique, no ism, no style. Constantly growing, trying to push the barriers of what watercolor itself can do. For him, Milind told me that for putting concepts or his politics, one doesn't need to use visual arts. Again, watercolor. He's having a fight with it. It's challenging him even today. I think he's just trying to become a better version of himself. He isn't fighting with anyone outside of him. And he's very sensitive to the environment and the subtle changes of light. He paints live, in the moment, in plein air. His book on watercolor sells like hotcakes. He's just too good. His publisher must be really happy. He believes in what Oscar Wilde said. A work of art is as useless as a flower is useless. He attaches no concept and cerebral connotation to his work, but just makes. Please subscribe to Art History Plus and support us on patreon.com. You can make a donation if you like. We make really amazing videos on art. Please like, comment, and please share this video to everybody who you think might be a fan of Milind Mulick. Thank you.